this one's been burnt out quite recently, judging from the police sign outside. There's some fireplaces, staircase. I just realised there's no lintel. I probably shouldn't stick my head in. Oh dear. What are you doing? Come on. Here. Here. Place this must have been. I imagine I was just chatting to a bloke then. He was saying to put this place right would be way too much. Just all the details on the window ledges and stuff like that. And this will just remain a ruin now. Come on then. I want to be seen. Just a short walk down from the cottages was this huge wireworks. I tell you what, this sort of unit, ideal for a COVID van life hideaway if we could get in there. This compound was absolutely huge, and yet unless you were stood next to it, you couldn't see it, thanks to how tucked away in the forest it was. When we come up a few days previous, there was a way in, but before I went inside there was something else I wanted to check out. However, this turned out to be a mistake, and you'll find out why later. Come on, this way first. Now, this is the real reason I've been here. Just up this gate here. It's like the entrance to a theme park haunted house. The detail on that gate. Nearly there. Yeah, every window you look in, ceiling's collapsed. There's just not a fat lot left. a way in just through that window, but I've got Lance and this place is seriously unstable. So we'll admire it from the outside and maybe send the drone in. Come here! Oh shit! No, you've gone past the way in. Come here. Sit. Behave. Oh. That's the only surviving window pane there. Also a brick that looks like it's about to fall and hit me. Oh, it stinks. It was at this point I could hear two people talking, and they were talking about me and the dog. So assuming I was in trouble, I went outside to greet them and see what they wanted. It was quite a funny moment then. The couple I could hear them talking about me and the dog being on site. So I come round and they thought I was going to tell them off, and I thought they were going to tell me off. We both just come to have a look. What a gorgeous place this would have been. Let's see what I can do with the drone. This place wasn't exactly what I expected. There wasn't really enough left to call it urbex. I mean, there wasn't even a roof. But it had an eerie beauty in its own right, tucked away, trees growing through it, upstairs and downstairs. The only thing to be seen from the sky is the chimneys, still desperately reaching out like the funnels on a sinking ship. This is just another place, it's just that bit too far gone. Some trees growing out of it and all sorts. Some cracks and how the walls are starting to bow, and I don't think this place will leave me stood up much longer. You're bored? Come on. There's a few that have gone in there actually. It looks like I'm here on my own, but there's actually quite a few people died around. And a few have gone inside. But personally, especially with a mad spaniel, I don't fancy delving in there. What a place though. Let's take a little wander down what I guess was the grounds. Back to that factory, see if we can get in there. It's a bit overgrown here. Lost my dog again. Oh. Come on. However, well, this was open last time. In a massive bout of bad luck, in the time it took me to get to the mansion and back, someone had boarded the door back up, fully screwed in, locked in place. It was fully sealed up, so there was no traipsing through this huge wireworks. Not quite the urban exploration I was hoping for, but this place was still pretty cool to wander around and explore. A little industrial village just lost in the woods.